As you can see, that's a perfect park job by Specialist Field and Shin Tapper.
Ladies and gentlemen,
that is perfect.
I have entered the motor pool. What's all that shit?
We actually have some pads on this bitch.
Hey, we left a trail. Yeah, tight.
That was on point.
Yeah.